Hi, I am Russel Pispis from Ligao City, a third-year Bachelor of Science in Computer Science at Bicol University. My academic background before joining StraStan is that I am mostly familiar and focusing on backend. I did not have any experience with cloud development whatsoever before joining StraStan. For my rating about my technical confidence, I would rate it from 5 out of 10 since I still have a lot to master and explore. My expectations before learning and starting the internship at StraStan is that I want to learn a lot of real-world scenarios and technologies. That is to improve my problem-solving skills and to explore working with modern systems that is beyond taught in school. For my internship experience at StraStan is that the main challenge that I have encountered is communication and collaboration with my teammates. Everyone has their own challenge as well as learning capacity that is basically adapting quickly to unfamiliar AWS services such as EventBridge and Cognito. From my experience, regular meetings were provided to provide structures, guidance, and clear goals. Mentors were approachable, Sir Muff and Sir Francis. Messaging them was easy, and they were always helpful, providing tips, examples, and real-world advices that made learning cooler and smoother. For the current technical growth, I would rate my technical skills of 9 out of 10. The skills I enjoyed learning the most is basically AWS Lambda and API Gateway. This gave me the sense of power and flexibility in system design. The most challenging skill to learn is EventBridge and integrating it with SQS for event-driven systems, scheduling. Skills I see myself using in the future, definitely cloud technology and tools. I am to contribute as a cloud developer in the community someday. How it helped me for the real world is that it gave me first-hand experience with the level of real-world and project-based work. It taught me how to plan, debug, and deploy systems in a production style. Do I believe this internship increased my chances of getting hired? Well, of course, absolutely yes. The experience I got from StraStan is definitely relevant, practical, and highly valuable. Confidence level for technical AWS cloud developer for the interview is around 8 of 10. That is because I'm still on the learning curve, but feel ready to show my skills in the top, especially in interviews. How my understanding of serverless technologies improved. It enhanced my theoretical knowledge by showing how cloud services implement and eliminate physical services and limits for servers, that is, infrastructure limits. Now I understand how to build scalable, efficient, and flexible systems without managing or controlling any systems that is physically available that is limited. Now, for the technicals and technologies I learned, for the AWS Cloud, I learned about Cognito, API, Gateway, and Lambda, which we have basically started from the very beginning, and then integrated CloudFront, S3, and DynamoDB as well as CloudWatch to keep our logs, and then lastly added SQS and EventBridge, SQS. Now, for the full stack development, I've also learned a lot about Next.js, especially Node.js. We have also included TypeScript and Tailwind CSS. Now, for the closing ceremony, I would like to thank the entire StraStan team, my mentors, my teammates, as well as all StraStan personnel for making this a memorable experience for my internship program. I would like to thank also my mentors for keeping us in track, giving relevant information, and always keeping us informed through messages and calls via messages and meetings. Thank you very much and more power to StraStan.